Imagine a future where diseases are detected early, treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup, and surgeries are performed with incredible precision. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by technology. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking innovations that are revolutionizing the way we approach health and medicine, from AI-powered diagnostics to 3D printing of tissues and organs. Let's get started. Advanced imaging techniques. The latest advancements in imaging technologies are MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, CT scans, computed tomography scans, and PD scans, positron emission tomography scans. MRI uses a magnetic field and computer-generated radio waves to create detailed images of the organs and tissues in your body. Most MRI machines are large, tube-shaped magnets. A CT scan uses a combination of X-rays and computer technology to produce images of the inside of the body. It shows detailed images of any part of the body, including the bones, muscles, fat, organs, and blood vessels. A PT scan uses a radioactive substance called a tracer to look for disease in the body. A PT scan shows how organs and tissues are working. This is different than MRI and CT scans. AI-powered image analysis. AI enhances image analysis through deep learning algorithms that can detect abnormalities with high accuracy, aiding in earlier diagnoses of conditions like cancer. Applications include automated segmentation, disease classification, and predicting patient outcomes. Telehealth revolution. Telemedicine allows healthcare delivery via digital platforms, enhancing accessibility for patients in remote locations. Benefits include reduced travel time, timely consultations, and increased convenience for chronic disease management. Remote patient monitoring devices. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers monitor vital signs and physical activity, enabling continuous health monitoring. Remote sensors can track conditions like heart rate and glucose levels, facilitating proactive health management. AI-powered diagnostics. AI algorithms sift through large datasets to identify patterns in patient histories, lab results, and imaging, enabling accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment recommendations. Drug discovery and development. AI accelerates drug discovery by predicting drug interactions, optimizing chemical compounds, and analyzing biological data, thus reducing the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market. Personalized medicine. AI can analyze genetic information, lifestyle factors, and treatment responses to tailor individualized treatment plans, enhancing efficacy and reducing side effects. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery offers precision, smaller incisions, and minimally invasive techniques, resulting in reduced pain, quicker recovery times, and shorter hospital stays. Virtual reality in surgery. Virtual reality provides an immersive environment for surgeons to practice procedures, visualize complex anatomical structures, and plan surgeries, improving surgical outcomes. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing determines the nucleotide sequence of DNA, helping in personalized medicine by allowing targeted therapies based on genetic predispositions to diseases. Gene editing. CRISPR technology enables precise editing of genes, offering potential treatments for genetic disorders by correcting mutations or modifying gene expression. Pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics uses genetic profiles to determine drug responses, allowing for tailored treatments that enhance efficacy and minimize adverse effects. Fitness trackers and smartwatches. Wearable fitness trackers monitor various health metrics like heart rate, sleep patterns, and physical activity, promoting personal health awareness and motivation for healthy behaviors. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs. Continuous glucose monitors help individuals with diabetes track glucose levels in real time, providing alerts for high or low levels and enabling better blood sugar management. Mobile health apps. Mobile health applications foster healthy habits by providing access to fitness programs, dietary tracking, health reminders, and educational resources, promoting preventive healthcare. If you're learning something new in this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to encourage us for making more videos like this. Nanotechnology in medicine. Nanotechnology enables targeted drug delivery systems, enhanced diagnostic techniques, and advanced tissue engineering, improving precision in therapies and diagnostics. Biotechnology advancements. Biotechnology provides solutions like vaccines, biopharmaceuticals, and nutritional supplements that address infectious diseases and malnutrition, particularly in developing countries. Custom implants and prosthetics. 3D printing creates customized medical devices, for example prosthetics and implants, tailored to individual patient specifications, improving comfort and functionality. Tissue engineering. Advances in bioprinting are exploring the potential to print tissues and organs for transplantation, which could alleviate organ shortages and improve transplant success rates. The future of healthcare is bright, and technology is at the forefront of this transformation. By embracing innovation and ethical considerations, we can harness the power of technology to improve the health and well-being of people around the world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.